What does an Indian student think of studying abroad? So, hi, what is your name and what are you studying presently?
My name is Yashwinder Singh and I am doing BTech IT right now.
Okay, and what salary are you expecting post completion of your course?
As I'm assuming 19 lakh per annum.
Okay, so have you ever thought of studying or staying abroad?
Yes, it's my dream to pursue my masters in America. So I would like to go there and pursue my masters.
If I may ask you, why in USA?
Because the companies over there have more value and they treat you as a good they treat you in a good term. They will ask you for a good salary over there. That's all.
Okay, so do you know the average salary of a BTech graduate in the US?
It's approximately 80 to 90,000, which I know in USD.
That's right.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
So, do you know the full form of LOR and SOP?
In LOR, it's a letter of recommendation, and in SOP, it's a statement of purpose.
Alright, so what documents do you require to apply to foreign universities?
It's basically that you should need a LOR, SOPs, and transcripts of your graduation if you're applying for masters, and your 12th graduation certificate, like from if you're doing from ICSE or CBSE. Then after that, you would need a IELTS score or TOEFL score. That's it.
That's right. So, since you're interested in studying abroad, have you heard of UC Global Study?
No, I don't have notice about that thing.
Okay. So, UC Global Study is actually an educational consultant, and it basically helps you with filling your LORs and SOPs and with all the other documentation that is related to applying to foreign universities. And it's especially free for Indian students who want to apply to countries in the US, UK, Ireland, etc.
Okay, I will do that if I need help.
Great. Thank you.